After the pandemic turned better, the orders had increased dramatically, completing 3,570 orders in 2020, an 8.5% growth comparing to 2019. With all our efforts, the production value of August to December was all above 33 million Chinese yuan. 4 months in a row. The total value reached 305 million Chinese yuan, the highest record. In 2020, the production technicians completed 43 sets of self-made tooling fixtures, 49 pieces of improvement on production, especially the embossed aluminum foil folds, the forced contraction of the 2-device expansion tube, and the heat wheels heat storage body without grinding and spraying paint. New breakthroughs have greatly improved production efficiency and product quality. My main responsibility this year is to upgrade the 3 products: small direct expansion air handling unit, constant temperature and humidity direct expansion AHU, and air handling unit with heat pump. It's our mission to provide better products and better support to the company. My main responsibility this year is to develop the new variable frequency direct expansion air handling unit. This is a very important key in our high-end product line, tagging our direct expansion products with high-end, energy-saving and precise control marks. In the second half of the year, our focus is the new vertical residential heat recovery ventilator, meeting the European market demand. The cross-counter flow heat exchanger can achieve 95% heat exchange efficiency.
In 2020, we strictly controlled the quality and inspected more than 30,000 batches of raw materials, a 50% growth comparing to last year, setting a new record. There were more than 2,500 random inspections of finished products, more than 1,000 rounds of product quality inspections. With strict control of product quality and strict product qualification rate, we provide customers with reliable products.